Hello, and welcome to 80/20's Product Highlight Series. Today we're going to take a look at the adjustable floor lock. This floor lock is perfect for locking applications with casters into place. It's available in both fractional and metric, it's adjustable, and requires no machining. However, a base plate and a bolt assembly is required. More information on 80/20's recommended bolt assemblies can be found in the 80/20 product catalog. Now when it comes to installing the floor lock, we're going to start with our base plate. We've already got it attached to our profile and tightened down. Grab our floor lock, position it over the base plate. We'll grab our bolts and start tightening them down. Now once we have those tightened down, we're going to want to adjust the height of our floor lock to what we need. We'll simply spin the base to the desired height that we need. From there, we'll move our floor lock into position. We'll go ahead and press down on this lever, and that'll engage the floor lock into position. Now when you're done with your floor lock or you need to move your application, you'll simply hit this red lever with your foot, and that will release or disengage the floor lock.